Okay, good morning everyone. I'm here with Seth Gustavson from UCL, and we're about to start a pond this morning while the video crew's here, but Seth's gonna go ahead of me and into the pond and explain what he thinks of the pond as it stands, so in its current state. After you then, Seth.
Alright, so right here in the pond, usually we think of ponds having water in them. This one currently has no water in it, and instead has an abundance of trees and limbs and all kinds of things growing out of it. So yeah, it looks obviously totally overgrown, not much going on inside of it. So hopefully by the end of today we'll have cleared so much of this out, and we'll have a pit that's been prepared and turned, or getting ready to be turned into a pond.
Awesome stuff. Can we go in? Can I follow you in?
Yeah, sure. Here we are. You can see just all kinds of stuff growing right here in what should be, or what could be otherwise, a thriving pond full of fish and bugs and other kinds of creatures. So with a little bit of effort and some digging and chainsaws, we'll have this right and ready for some new life.
Are you ready to go?
I'm ready to go.
Let's do it.
All right.